What's up, Jessica? I wanted to speak a few words to you about your week 5 college transfer pathway plan thing. Looks like you've got half the associate's degree taken care of already. That's nice. So, currently you're enrolled in some of that. Thinking of taking statistics, Spanish, and philosophy in the summer, and then finishing up here next spring. That makes sense. Do we offer social work courses? I don't even know. So here's your record. I'm going to take a look at that. That's not a prefix I'm accustomed to seeing. Well, we've got 113. Is that what you put? You put 110. I have no idea if we ever offered this. So you might have to take something else in substitution of that. Maybe. I really have no insight into that, so I hate to say. But some sociology, some psychology, 237, 281. I think that would probably work. Let's just see if Spanish 112 tends to be offered in the fall. It offered in the spring, and that is all. What that says to me, Jessica, is that, and I think this is the, no, I better not speak too soon. My concern is that Spanish 111 is offered in the fall and then 112 in the spring, but that may not be the case. It may be that there's a blend. As you can see, there's a blend this spring where you can take 111 or 112. So maybe you're okay with that plan. That's a lot of social sciences in one, but I know you're just fulfilling requirements and things. You were thinking of going to App State and majoring in psychology, so it stands to reason that you'd be taking a lot of psychology. And here's the plan if you were going to App State still, but I guess majoring in something different, maybe sociology. I'm seeing a lot of sociology there. I don't know. I mean, it looks fine to me. Here I am looking at your college transfer pathway plan from App State. I wish I could blow this up a little bit. There we are. And they're saying the things that you no doubt have already taken. They don't choose a lot of these for you. You can take what you want. And same thing here with electives and stuff. So I think you're probably pretty safe based on what you presented to me. Just make sure that back at your plan here, let's look at your progress, that what you've put on the plan will suffice the the requirements you see here. So you've got your English taken care of. This is all planned out and in progress. Taking care of those. You got your math. 171. Got your science. ACA. Yeah, it's all a matter of finishing out these electives. And, okay. What? I'd like to see your options for those. Show details. Show details. What? Usually it shows you all of the options you have for the other required hours, so I don't know why this isn't showing. Expand all. Well, I'm a little perplexed by that, honestly. I mean, it says you've got the AA. Most people, when I'm looking at their progress in this self-service, it shows you all the things Program completion must be verified by registrar. Huh. Well, I don't know why your guidelines don't show you all of your options for your other required hours and electives, but I mean, I think you're probably okay. Here's what I'm saying to everybody. As you get closer to fulfilling or finishing these programs, I want you to make an effort to go to the College Transfer and Advising Center and speak to Peyton Overby. And, yeah, I think your plan looks fine, but it's better to be safe and sorry, better to be proactive rather than find yourself lacking some sort of course. Because I'm looking at some of these sociologies, for example, and I know that's your second plan, and I'm not entirely sure that we offer all those. I mean, let's just take a look real quick. Yeah, we offer a 220. We don't have a 225 on the books anytime soon, but we may have one later. So, look, I guess long story short, you might find that you have to sub things out depending on availability. English 261 is not a course that we offer. So just be aware of that kind of thing. Well, I think we're only doing British and American literature here at Wayne. So, if that were a course you really wanted to take, you could get it somewhere else. But just know that in your plan, there might be certain holes where you have to sub in other things that we actually offer. So not this one. Is that developmental social psychology? I'm not sure we offer that either. Let's just take a look. No, probably not. So look, in a perfect world, you would be able to get all the courses that they want you to have before coming over to App State. You could get them all here, but there will be things like this class, for example, that you may not be able to get here, but you can still fulfill the requirements for your particular guidelines. And I'm going to mention this to Peyton, that your AA guidelines look a little peculiar to me, and see what she has to say. So that's that. Long story short, we don't offer several of the classes that you've chosen, so just do like I've done and do some kind of course searches and see if there's any availability, and if there's not any, then in all likelihood we don't offer those. And change things out. And once you get everything changed out, I'd like for you to like you have here, drop things in your plan all the way through towards graduation. That's not a requirement of this course, but I think it's something that would be valuable for you in communicating with college transfer and advising about what you're doing for the next 3 semesters.